Hey folks, this is Karina Danager coming to you live at the 100 listing countdown for 2019, and this is listing number 10. I'm located over here in Heritage Isles in Vieira in the very exclusive community, 55 and over community, and I have a spectacular 3-bedroom, 2-bath with an office, oversized back patio that is screened in to show you today. So let me go ahead and flip this around so I can show you the street that I'm on. I'm on Gurrero. Oops, if I can spin it around. Here we go. It is such a sweet, nice little street that I'm on. This was one of the newer streets that was built towards the end of the phases. There is a nice fire hydrant right there, so talk about discounts on your insurance. Very quiet. That's my car. Otherwise, there's no cars on the street typically. It's very sweet, well maintained. The HOA covers the gorgeous landscaping, the lawn, the huge clubhouse and swimming pool, and you're close to golfing, and we're at 3545 Gurrero. And let me take you on in. This is such a cute floor plan. I did sell it to the folks that are now moving back to California a few years ago, and they have done some amazing upgrades. I'm very excited to show you. So when you first come in, well, I'll show you. When you come in the door, straight down the hallway, you run into the kitchen. At the very end is the office, and we'll get to all that in a minute. Look at this gorgeous tile throughout. So nice, great, and easy to maintain. You have a nice little dining room nook over here. You have your formal sitting room or whatever you want to do with this space. Very high ceilings, ceiling fans, really pretty. And actually, I'm going to show you, look how nice that late afternoon sun is. It's very comfortable and cozy in this house. There's your foyer. The door that I just came in is right there. And I'm going to spin us around and take us into the brand new, super gorgeous kitchen. You have quartz countertops. Look at the shaker cabinets, soft drawer closes. So when we pull open a drawer and we let it go, oh, no noise. I love that. Beautiful stainless steel appliances, the microwave, the actual real exhaust that goes out, not just stays in the kitchen like they like to do down here. The owners took a lot of great measures in putting in really nice upgrades in this kitchen. I absolutely love this kitchen. Look how nice and deep the sinks are. Beautiful KitchenAid dishwasher, lots of extra space. I'm going to step back for a second so you can get a better view of this kitchen. They put in really nice recessed lighting up top. Just really nice. A nice kitchen nook up there, the bar, so you can sit there and have cocktails while someone's cooking you dinner or breakfast and have your coffee. So isn't that pretty? I love that kitchen. And what else I love about this kitchen is it's an open floor plan. So boom, you're in the living room or family room, whichever one you want to go with. And it is spacious. She's got beautiful furniture going on in here. Over here you have the little nook. You could set up your laptop or just have a little sitting area, but they ran the same quartz countertop as they did in the kitchen right here. So it flows really nicely. Behind this door here is a super deep pantry. So I'm going to go back 2 steps towards the kitchen and down this awesome hallway. And the first thing we run into is a super big laundry room. Love it. Back through that garage door is, well, the garage door going into the garage. Over to the right, we have a very sweet bathroom, tub shower combo. You'll see right there. Nice upgraded lighting. The tile runs in. Now as we go into the 2 back bedrooms, there's carpet in here, which is great. We like carpet on our feet, right? And it's a nice size. Right now it's being used as an office. So let me just pan around here for a second. Plenty of space for bedroom furniture. You have a nice double deep wide closet going on. Then as I spin us back out the door and come in through bedroom number 3, you will see she actually has a nice bed set up in here with furniture and plenty of space. Another good sized closet. I'm going to pan you through real quick. Plenty of space to put whatever you need to put in your 3rd bedroom. And so now we're going to come back out and let's go take a look at that office space. It's really nice that the builder thought forward. It was Lennar who built these homes, they thought about putting an office space. So through this nice double door entry, and if you had to use it as a spare bedroom, I guess you could just put an armoire up for some clothing. But you have a nice, really nice pitch on the ceilings. It's not just flat. It looks really nice this way. And you have the great views out back, which we'll go out in a minute. Whew, that sun is starting to set. All right, let me spin you into the master suite. I love this master suite. It is very large. So you come into this very large room. Let me just walk towards the back and I'll pan around. Pan around. Can't talk today. And so here we go. They've got a nice sized bed in here, queen size, plenty of space. You could even put a king in here. Just readjust where you set your furniture, no problem. And it is a beautiful, beautiful room. And they do have a lot of furniture in here. And I have to tell you, there is so much floor space. See, look, lots of floor space. We could sit in here and do our calisthenics and still have plenty of space to move around and stretch. So let's go into this master suite bath that they just remodeled. And it is stunning. Look at these countertops, gorgeous cabinetry, absolutely stunning. And then my favorite is this shower that they did. Look how nice that is. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if you can see these tiles. Can you see that? I don't think it's coming through. It is beautiful. It's clean, it's sharp, it's just stunning. And look at the flooring that they did. So nice. All right, and so you have a nice deep pant closet over here. Oops, hello. In this closet, you have the water closet, which is great. And then behind me is a very deep walk-in closet. So it goes way back there and again behind me. So I'm going to close that door because we're not going to do closets today. They just never look right on these Facebook Live videos. But if you want to see how deep that closet is, you have to make an appointment and come see the house yourself. All right, so now let's go out back. This back patio is freaking, first of all, this door is so easy and nice to open. I absolutely love the slider. You'll see down here we have pavers all the way throughout. This is so spectacular. I don't know if you're going to be able to see how big this truly is, but you could have a full-on party out here and not even know what's going on back in the house because it's so large. You have a nice overhang where the table sits, so if it's raining, you have plenty of space to sit there and still enjoy the outside life. This is what we call our third living room down here in Florida because we spend a whole lot of time in our back patio, and that's what's so nice. Look, it's all nice and screened in, so clean. And the landscaping, they did plant those palm trees, so eventually they'll grow a little higher. You'll have more privacy from the neighbors, although there's a good space between you and the neighbors. And so this house is spectacular. They even put on the accordion shutters. So all the windows have the accordion shutters, including the sliding glass door, if you can see in that corner there, or over here. So how these shutters work is if you want to lock the house down, whether you're going away for a long period of time or if you have a storm coming in, you just literally pull them together, open the window on the inside, and lock them, and you're done. It takes you 10 minutes to lock down this whole house. Unbelievable. So we have this amazing opportunity to come to Heritage Isles over here in the next, we're going to be live by the weekend, I hope, as soon as we get the pictures from the photographer. So call me, Karina Daninger, 321-693-2482. Would love to have you get in the home, or your agent who's going to be showing you the house. 321-693-2482. This is Karina Daninger with Keller Williams. Have a fabulous day.